Hello, I'm Chad Lohr, Regional President with PNC Bank. Since 2012, PNC has partnered with the Glacier Children's Museum, as we know, our own premier children's museum right here in the Tampa community that's dedicated to play-based learning for children from birth to age 10. Our vision for the partnership aligns with the museum's mission, and together we are serving the families of Tampa Bay and raising, hopefully, the next generation of leaders in our community. PNC has proudly invested nearly $70,000 in support of the museum's programs, exhibits, and special events. This year's events have given us the opportunity to be creative in the way we work together. To meet the learning needs of children from the comfort of their home, we have teamed up with the Glacier Children's Museum to create a one-of-a-kind virtual program for GCM at home about value. PNC is excited to partner with the museum once again and hope to inspire great futures for young children and help them develop a passion for learning that we hope lasts a lifetime. Thank you.
Hi friends, welcome to GCM at Home and welcome to Daniel Tiger's neighborhood. My name is Ashley and I'm an educator here at the Glacier Children's Museum. Today, with my friends from PNC Bank, we are talking about how important it is to use your words. How do you use your words at home? Yeah, using your words is a great way to tell someone you value them. It is also a great way to tell someone if you're not feeling happy or if you need something. How do you use your words in your neighborhood? When Daniel explores his neighborhood, he uses his words to say please and thank you and hello, of course. Let's practice using our words with Daniel Tiger. Hi, Daniel. I'll practice using my words first, and then you can try. Daniel, I'm having such a fun time today. I'm so glad you're here. Now you try. Tell Daniel how you feel. Great job using your words. Let's make a Daniel Tiger puppet. That way you can practice using your words anytime you want. Hi friends, welcome. To create our puppet today, you will need a brown paper bag, construction paper to make Daniel's ears, paws, and a sweater, so any color works, glue, scissors, and something to draw with. Today, I am using a marker. If someone is helping you create your puppet today, make sure you practice using your words and say please and thank you. Let's get started. Let's start by creating the paws and ears. Fold your piece of construction paper in half. Then turn your paper so that the open edge is facing your stomach when sitting at the table. Now, draw two mounds or two upside down U's on your construction paper. These pieces will become the two ears and two paws. Keep your paper folded in half and cut out the shapes you just drew. You should have 4 pieces when you're done cutting, since we folded our paper in half. Make sure your paper bag is sitting on the table with the flap facing up towards you. Now, let's glue these pieces of paper on our bag. Glue your ears at the top corners of the bag and one paw on the left and right side of the bag below or near the flap. Now let's add a sweater. Cut your construction paper so it's wide enough to cover the brown paper bag. You can use your markers to trace how big you need your paper to be. When your paper is cut out, glue it on the front of your bag. Draw our details. What is our puppet missing? The That's right, we need to draw a face. You can also add some tiger stripes and decorate the sweater if you'd like. Ta-da! How did your Daniel Tiger puppet turn out? Let's practice using our puppet and practice using our words. You can use your fingers to move the flap up and down to make your puppet move. Now, let's practice using our words. Can you think of something that makes you really happy? Got it? Now, can you tell your Daniel Tiger puppet? Great job, everyone! Thank you for using your words with me today. Until next time, bye-bye.